So we've actually jumped forward in time a bit. This is the last day I have this truck. It's going to be going back to the rental company today. Bit sad to see it go. It's been an awesome truck and I've actually really loved it. So in the future I might be buying one of these, who knows. For now, we got this old beast back. I figured I might as well record this since it's somewhat relevant. I got in a car crash a couple of days ago. A lady swerved into my lane and hit me on the side here. Started all the way from the front, just ding and scuffs. A little bit of scratching on the rims, a little slash in the tire, nothing too crazy. Most of the impact got hit by these side steps. As you can see, those mounts are very, very not straight. They're supposed to be about 3 inches further up than they are when it's sitting in. And it also bent upwards. And can't really see it from down to it. It creased right here. And this whole front end came up. So it smashed the running board and the bottom of the door. Also back here. So this is the project for today, just getting these pulled off and cleaning this up a little bit. This is the truck after I got it cleaned up, got the side step pulled off. A lot of these scuff marks, they're still there. You can definitely see them, and you can even feel in here a lot of the scratches. Most of it's not too bad off. This is the biggest dent here. It's on the bottom of this door. So I might have to replace this door. This door is pretty much untouched, and the back has a good dent right there. Overall, really not too bad though, all things considered. So that'll be another project coming up, probably either fixing or replacing that door. So I got my truck dropped off at the alignment shop. I just picked up this new one from Enterprise. It'll be my ride for the next probably week or two. The damage to the steering components was about $700, which was quite a lot. They had to replace inner tie rod, control arm, obviously the ball joints, a lot of stuff in there. So this is what I'll be rocking. It's quite a big upgrade. This truck is crazy fast. Tell you what, putting two turbos on a car, it does many magical things. My white F-150 is the 5-liter V8. That's a pretty quick car. This one absolutely smokes it. See in the back, I've got some of the Datsun parts on the inside as well. I'm going to be filming a new episode for you guys. It'll be episode 4 or episode 3 of the Datsun series. We'll get back to work once some of this stuff gets sorted out, and we'll keep you guys up to date on everything. Second side step all wrapped up. The next thing that this truck needs is a new door. So I'll be looking to get one probably in the next couple of weeks. I could do body filler try and pull these dents a little bit. But I think it might just be cheaper to grab a new door from a junkyard. So I'll see what I can find, and that might be the next step on this truck. But it's all the damage is repaired to the mechanical parts. I got the front end alignment done. I needed a tie rod, upper control arm, and lower ball joint. So there's a little bit of damage up there, but overall not too bad.